Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this video is on ticker symbol ISPC, which is for iSpecimen, and today it was up by 80% during market hours and it is up by another 61% after hours. So in total it is up by almost 140% in one day. Massive move. You can see the price was very flat around $4.875 area, then boom, today it went up. And most probably you know why, because there was a news that they selected by US government and private researchers to supply critical human biospecimens for advanced phase of COVID-19 research. I'm not going to read the whole thing because that news came in the morning. Most probably you know, or if you do not know, just pause and hear it. But in general, that is the big news, right? So they have the thing, right? So they got the contract. So that was the big thing. And then in the morning it shoot up all the way, like it went to 11 point something, then it came down, and after hour it is running again. And in the morning we alerted this one in pre-market when it was around $9.5 area. We were predicting a what's called breakout, right? So it broke out from here, went all the way to 12.7. It was almost like 41% gain just from the alert and the high, right? Then gradually it came down, but there was a support around 7.8 because that support we drew based on the prior lines, right? 7.8 was previous resistance, then it became a support. So after hour it came to 7.8. Again it has been pushing, but the nice thing is now from 7.8 it went almost like $15, so almost like double your money within few hours. So that is a very nice trade. Also another trade we did today is LGVN, and this thing has gone from $8 all the way to $45. So since $12, I think when there was a breakout, I was talking on Twitter, my Discord and everywhere, and still from $12 to $45 is like more than 3-4 times your money. The other one is ASTR, that one popped from 9.5 all the way to 13. We did some nice trading. If you like this kind of alert, support, resistance chart and everything, please consider joining my Discord, and you have to become a patron. Just pay by $9 per month, or become a VIP, $25 per month. Become a patron and join my Discord so that we can all make some money together. You will get alert pre-market, market hours, and even at night. So anyway, so that was the big news, right? So transforming the biospecimen procurement. So that was the big news that came today. So if you look, the average volume is only 4.6 million and today's volume was 91 million, meaning that almost 20 times more volume came to that particular stock. And why it is important, you see in terms of volume, in July there was a little bit of volume, maybe 7.5 million. That was the highest, right, since June to November. And today, compared to 7 million, the volume is massive, 91 million. And you can see the price surge a lot. And it also, you can see this in the chart, right? Because no volume, so if I look at the chart, no like real volume, no price action, just some dots here and there on a 5-minute chart. But today solid candles, meaning that lots of volume, lots of trading and lots of fun. So that was the main thing. And why that thing is moving, because if you look at the float, it has a float of only 5.23 million, share outstanding 6.96 million, meaning that this is a low float company. And when a low float company which has a float of 5.2 million and 90 million shares are traded, you can think that whatever shares are available to trade, 15-20 times more shares are traded. So that is why that thing ran a lot. Low float stock can really run a lot, even go upside or on the downside. And from Finviz I can also see it has a price target of $10. So it was around $5. Today it went over $10. Currently it is at $15. Also, if you look at the shortable stock for ISPC, the funny thing, I see that currently there is no shares available. 0 shares available. At some point there were some shares available. You see the blue line. Now there is no shares available with a borrow fee rate of 40.78%. So there is no share available. If anyone is shorting this particular one, this thing will be fun because there could be a short squeeze. Anyway, I just want to show you LGVN again today. See how that thing moved today between $8 and $10, and end of the day it went to 45, even though after hour it came to 34. But this is the move. Like, so anyway, so looking at the after hour activity, I see it is around 14.52. So if I look at a 5-minute chart, so a few important things. This is very hard to draw because we have only less data here. So I would say some kind of support, maybe around 12.2 area, or you can also argue with me that okay, just looking at here, you can say between 11.81. so let's say between 11.8 and 12.2, this is the area. It might act like a support if it dips. On the other hand, if it wants to go higher, I see the highest point is around 14.75. if we see more volume tomorrow morning, pre-market or market open, these things can really reap a lot. Very, very exciting. So if you're part of our community, I will brief definitely on this particular one with the latest support and resistance so that we can make some money. Today we entered, we made some money. So again, very exciting. Just wanted to make a video so that I can bring this to your attention so that you can make some money from this particular stock. Low float is one more thing. Keep that in mind. The way it goes up, the way it can come down. So my recommendation is always use a stop loss. Use a stop loss because you never know how much it can come down. If something can go up, it can come down. So keep that in mind. Anyway, if we can go over 15, maybe we will go towards 16.20. I don't know why it is showing at 16. Maybe I'll just move to hourly chart. Okay, so as per trading view, now we are over 14.75. I'm looking at $16. I don't know, maybe it can go towards 20 because people love round figures. We have to see. Yahoo is showing only 15.7. Trading view is showing me 16. Anyway, that's not a big deal. Now 15.23. Anyway, after hour it can fluctuate a lot. We have to see pre-market, we have to see tomorrow, then we can decide. But look at LGVN, the monster move today. Look at other ones like AUR the other day. So those are really, really nice move. Now let's look at the news just before I close. So an online marketplace for human biospecimens today announced that it has been contracted to support new advanced research on COVID-19, seeking insights on its transmissibility, variants, outcomes, and testing validity among multiple population segments. In the last 10 months, the company has partnered with multiple research and healthcare organizations on a range of diverse projects requiring a variety of COVID-19 samples, including nasal swabs, saliva, and blood product. The company's work on COVID-19 began immediately after the outbreak last year when it began and so on, right? So anyway, that's the news. It came in the morning and now we are looking at the after hour price action. Very, very excited. ISPC is going up 16, came down to 15.17. Very excited. I need to see how this thing will move. Maybe if you look at the pattern, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, again goes up. I don't know. Just looking at the pattern. Anyway, just wanted to make this video super quick so that you know what is happening, and in case you want to get in and make a quick scalping and make some money. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. At the same time, consider joining my Discord so that we can all make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.